Hi family, how are you all doing? Welcome back. It's your girl Bisi Koobee. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this lovely gorgeous hairstyle. It's giving summer, birthday, exciting. It's giving all the vibe, the color, the style, the volume of the hair. It's just giving everything. So let's get into the video. So I went ahead to section my hair already and I did a flat twist in the front. That's just to make it easier when I'm curling the hair, so I'm not having any hair tangled up with one another. So you see the size of extension I showed you just now. I used twice of that size for each cornrows of the hair in the front. So that's why my cornrows are a bit thick, because I had initially gone with just this one, but I noticed that it wasn't thick enough. So for each cornrows, I did that step, the step I showed you just now, twice. So let's get straight into the cornrow part. So what I did here was to take out the twist, and then I went in with my leave-in conditioner, which is in this place, Shea Moisture, of course. And then I combed out my hair, and then I used my shine and jam to slick the roots of my hair. And then we're doing what we call the fitting braids. So this is the fitting method. There's a style called the Ghana weave style. I'm not so good with that, but maybe in my next video in the future I can give that a try. But right now what we're doing is just filling in the cornrows. So take your time. The other thing I should also mention while I'm here is that if you want this hair to last you really well, you want to make sure that you get, either you stretch your hair, you can use the no heat or the heat method, or you add more shine and jam to your actual hair, to your natural hair, so that way it slicks and it lasts longer. And what you also notice that I'm doing is, as I'm braiding, I'm hiding my natural hair underneath the extension. This also gives it that natural look, that finished look, such that once it's like maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks, it's still looking clean and fresh. As you can see, I was tucking it underneath the extension. So what I noticed was, for some of the ones where I remember to tuck it in, it was so nice even after the second week. But the ones I forgot to, they were already looking rough and my natural hair was showing. So take note of that as a nice tip for you guys. And the reason why I actually forgot was because I made this hair the day I was going for an event. So anyhow, so I just repeated the same process, going with my shine and jam, and I make sure the lines are straight. So I would definitely recommend making sure that you patch your hair which way you want it to look like, and do just no pattern, like either just something like mine, or you could do something with a little pattern like mine. But yeah, so keep on watching, and if you're new to the channel, you're welcome. If you like what you've seen so far, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and watch many more videos from me. And for my OG families, thank you for always coming back to support your girl. She really appreciates it. Like I said in my previous video, I still haven't received any comment from you guys. If there are any styles you'd like me to try, or any topics in regards to our relationship with God that you like me to talk on, please go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. I would love to talk to you guys, and I would love to share with you guys any ideas that you requested in the video. We're almost done the front section. Yippee! Alright, so the next thing you also notice is that on the two sides of my cornrows in the front, I don't have the very first ones braided, and this is because we're going to be doing something different to this side. We're going to be braiding it, and I decided to do this because I felt like it gave the hairstyle a little more edge. It just makes it looks a little different and nice. If you were supposed to be packing this hair up, at least that way you have those two cornrows on the side to give it that nice cute look. So that's what I went ahead to do, and I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So the same way I measured the hairstyles for the braids is the same thing I did here. I just split the hair into two, added my shine and jam, and then we braid. So you guys keep watching. So moving on, we're going to get ready for crochet. So I went in to just tuck in the very last tip of the ends of my hair in, and then we're going to be using my DIY crochet hair. So the same extension I used for this hair was what I used to make the curls. I used my flexi rod and then I soaked this into hot water, and that's the result right there. I didn't show any video of this. If you guys want me to show that, definitely leave a comment in the comment section and I can go ahead to upload it. So I separated each strand into two. Initially I was unsure if I wanted to, but I realized it was too thick, and then I used my leave-in conditioner with some water to separate the extension, so that way it doesn't become frizzy and it's still looking cute. I actually like these extensions that I did because it lasted me without getting tangled up. So, and even if it feels tangled, I just sprayed the leave-in conditioner in the water and it's back to the original state. So I'll definitely be doing more curly hairstyles in the future with this flexi rod and this kind of extensions. So that's just me going into putting my crochet, and I love crochet time. It's like my fun time. So just go ahead and crochet, and depending on how full you want this hair, you can crochet less or you could crochet more, but based on what I wanted, I want it to be full and luscious and just fun. Alright, so we're just about done and my hair is looking fly already. The colors are popping, the crochet is looking really good. I just went into crochet as much as I wanted to. I wanted it really full and nice. It's giving me all the giving. And what we have left is just going to put the tips of the braids into hot water, and I just did something a little nice and added a little, you know, bit of crochet hair to the front to give that extra spice up to the hair. You can do that if you want, or you can leave that part out. So what I'm going to do is to put this tip in hot water as well as this part, and once I do that, I'll just let the hair down. We're taking some pictures and showing you guys my final look, and I'm so proud of myself. So that's the leftover from the one pack of hair that I turned into the curly extension. So I made one pack. One pack comes in 3 bundles, and that's what we have left over. And we're all done. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's let down. Like I said, you just need to put the tip of your hair in hot water and you're good to go. You could rock it like this, or you could rock it in with having the braids in the bun, or you could even pack everything up and leave in the side braids. You know, just have fun with this hair. It's a fun hairstyle, so make sure you have fun. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.